Hi everyone, I just wanted to give you a little update on my recent Loquat planting. It's October 22nd now, a couple of weeks after my retrofitting planting called Loquat in a bramble patch, and I just wanted to show what it looks now. And then I also want to plant a couple of Feijoa trees that are sitting in a parking lot to increase the plant density around the guild. So here is the area. As you can see, it's very green again. The nettles have sprung back very vigorously, and it's really like this second spring, although it's October 22nd already. And what I want to do is I want to put a Feijoa tree around this area and some 2 to 3 meters on the other side of the Loquat tree, another Feijoa around that area. So to give it more company. Here is one of these Feijoa trees that I mentioned, sitting in a pot on a terrace that needs to go in the ground. And here's the other one. Here they are, the Feijoa trees. Let's get to it. The first step is scything the area, which I'm gonna do with this nice hand tool here. And so I'm gonna sharpen it and then go inside the nettles. All right, so here we are. I'm gonna give you a bit of a close-up of my Feijoa trees. This is the one. It has also, or it had comfrey growing with it in the pot, which you can see here, and it's growing quite well out of it, but the pot was also getting a bit small. And then, yeah, here we have our Loquat tree and comfrey as well, and here is the other Feijoa tree. It took a while to dig the soil up. As you can see, there were a couple of stones in the ground that I had to work out, but it's a really good soil and I think it's going to be happy here. So let me go back a little bit. So this is the spacing here. So Feijoa tree, Loquat tree, and the other Feijoa tree in our Loquat guild. What's missing now is just watering them in and then mulching them with the clippings that I made here from scything. So that's it for today. That's for my Feijoa planting. To me, it's way more feasible to do it this way, where I go plant a couple of plants and trees one day, and then a couple of weeks later, I come back and plant some more around it. So this way the guild grows step by step and becomes a really dense syntropic guild, which is my goal. And yeah, it's not overwhelming. It's kind of simple and easy and a slow-paced way of growing this guild and this food forest patch. So I hope this was helpful, you enjoyed, and see you next time. Bye.